The government is insisting work has started to build the foundations for the container homes to be given to Hurricane Melissa victims in Western Jamaica. The explanation came as the Parliamentary Opposition demanded an explanation about the delays facing the program. Details in this report.
A political war of words is unfolding over containerized homes for Jamaicans. At the center of the latest dispute, Jamaica is readying itself to house foreign nationals, courtesy of a third country national deportee deal with the USA, while many Jamaicans are still homeless or in damaged homes due to Melissa. On Monday, opposition spokesman on housing Professor Floyd Morris went on the offensive, demanding answers.
We want the citizens to get the assistance as soon as possible. It cannot be that the government is moving to provide support through overseas individuals, through the third country national situation, and providing accommodation for them. And our people out here cannot get assistance.
He says the government owes the Jamaican people an honest explanation for the continued delay in delivering the homes.
It is very scandalous that our citizens have been affected by this hurricane 9 months ago, and to date the government has not gone out and given the support in terms of those who had their houses totally destroyed, given support to them. And I am very appalled and disgusted by this action.
But on Monday afternoon, the government responded. Cabinet Minister Robert Montague has responsibility for the initiative and says the construction and assembling phase of the containerized homes is underway. The work began last week. The government adds that in the coming weeks, they will start handing over the homes.
The project is ongoing and will be rolled out in phases because we are following the guidelines and the guardrails, governance guardrails that are set out in law. And as we try to strike that balance between the urgency of building out the units and abiding and observing our governance guide laws, we ask for patience and understanding. But we do have units in the country, in Western Jamaica. Bases are being built and more units are being shipped.
The government has indicated that close to 1,500 containerized units are in the island, with more scheduled to arrive this month. This should bring the total to 2,724.